Hey everyone, it's Megan with CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the week of February 27th through March the 5th in my catch-all happy planner using this PlannerSisterSticker kit. I have used this in a previous spread, that's why there's not too much left, and I really wanted to use this one. So I'll show you which kit I did last time, which is this beautiful spread. I really love it, and it's so cute. So this is what the previous week looks like. Not the previous week, but the previous time I've used this spread. So now we're going to use it in this week's spread as well. I'm very excited. All right, so first things first, we are going to go ahead and figure out if this is the washi that I want to use for my spread, and I'm thinking the answer is yes. I think the colors match pretty well, so we're going to go ahead and plow through with this thought, and I'm going to cover up the spine because I'm a huge fan of plain spines because I usually do decorate my spreads with some sort of color on the spine, and it makes it so much easier, but I don't mind it. And luckily with this washi, I don't have to cover up the stripes, which is very nice. So basically all I'm going to do is to just cover up those colors on the spine with a set of washi that will match the spread. I usually do this, honestly. If you guys saw last week's plan with me, that was with Coffee Planner Mom's Mardi Gras mini kit, and I absolutely loved using that kit, and it was very fun to use throughout the week. So now we're going to add the days of the week and the dates. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this washi and we're just going to cover it up all the way through because these numbers will get covered up when I put the days of the week. So I'm just going to basically cover up the dates that are already on here with more washi because why not? All right, it's starting to look like something. Now we're going to take these from Proud Sticker Designs and I'm going to just place the days of the week right on top of that number. And then using my tweezers, these dates are from Redhead stickers from an old kit. Just gonna do the same thing all the way across the spread. All right, now we're going to get started with the actual kit. And I think I'm going to start off with the weekend banner because Thursdays and Fridays are my weekend. If you guys are new here, my off days are Thursdays and Fridays. So that's why I do the weekend banner then. And I cannot get this centered for some reason. There we go. Look at that. That's cute. Okay. I think I'm going to start now with the sidebar because I do, whoops, sorry, moved the camera. I do have some items that I'm going to use. So this is a Monday through Sunday habit tracker from Planner Kate. And I'm actually going to cut this right in half and only use these two because I do have my AM and PM routine that I like to track in here. And then I also have this box here because I like to track my work schedule. I think I'm actually going to move this up and put it here. And then this here. This color isn't quite the same as the colors in the kit, but I'm not that concerned. Let's see. I am going to use this little checklist here. And I'm thinking we're going to use this as my important. This is not crooked, or this is crooked, not straight. I did it again. Okay, there we go. I'm thinking of putting one up here, or maybe one on Monday. That's what we'll do. Put one on Monday, and then we'll put one down here in the corner on Sunday. Give us a nice little parallel, if I can put this down straight. There we go. I do need to white this out because I'm not a fan of the little deco pieces that they put down here either. So my weekend is going to be pretty busy. I'm going to be doing a lot of things. So we're going to use a couple of checklists here. I'm thinking of these two. So we'll do, whoops, a to-do list here, and probably the other one up here, and to-do, and many things, and then to-do. I also need a chores list, which means we are going to get these checklists here. And I'll use this one and put the chores list there. I'm thinking we'll put the school one, and I will change the script because I do have some from, these are from Samuel and Planning, and that makes it a little easier. There we go. And then this next week one, we're going to put same thing. I'm going to take other and put next week there. And then I have these two boxes here that I want to use, and I'm thinking of putting them I didn't quite think this through. Maybe we'll take this one off completely and just not add it in the spread and put it like this. There we go. That's better. I feel like there's more that I need to put on the spread, but I'm not quite sure. So I'm just going to place these extra boxes around so that I can fill it in whenever I need it. It's typically what I do in my catch-alls anyway, is to just fill in extra space with the little boxes. Alright everyone, that is it for this week's Plan With Me in my catch-all spread. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and got some inspiration on how to use a kit with leftover items. I'm absolutely in love with the way this turned out, and I think that it's going to be perfect for this week and kind of getting back into the swing of, you know, boring adult things. If you guys are interested in getting this kit for yourself, PlannerSisterSticker still has these on her website, so I will leave them in the description box below. The groceries, laundry, and vacuum scripts are from PlannerSisterSticker. Dishes and meal plan are from Redhead Stickers, and then the kitchen and bathroom and to clean next week, those are all from Sammy Lynn Planning. If you like what you see here and you want to see more, don't forget to check out the description box or up here in the cards. I will have my catch-all playlist linked so you guys can check that out. And if you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I craft with art prop journal books, polymer clay, and planners, lots of different things. And there are various playlists related to those categories linked in the description box as well. So check that out if you are interested in seeing what else I craft with. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys!